where should you set up your system? The grow block is designed for indoor use only. You can set it up in any room. We have some customers that actually set them up inside of closets. It provides its own light source, so you can use any space that you would like on the interior of your home, office, or restaurant. Our plants will live in conditions as low as 55 degrees and as high as 85 degrees. Whatever comfortable environment that you live in, your plants will be fine in that temperature environment as well. Having your grow block in a livable space, there's a lot of benefits from that. You get the opportunity to see the plants grow every single day at an astounding rate. You also get the fresh smell of herbs and different things that are growing that represent life inside your home. And there's also a tranquil feel to hearing the water from the pumps when the pumps are on that are feeding your plants. So you certainly want to make sure, if at all possible, your grow block is set up in a livable space that you see it on a daily basis.
For more how-to content from Produced You, subscribe to our channel on YouTube and follow us on Instagram at Produce for All.